Hi guys, I'm G and you're watching G's Closet. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today my video is a bit of a chatty video. Since Louis Vuitton has launched their cruise collection, the Game On collection, I thought I'll talk about it on this video. So before we go on to the video, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is G and my channel is about luxury, fashion, beauty and travel. So if you're interested in videos related to these topics, do subscribe to me and join my YouTube family. Subscribe to me by hitting that red subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell sign next to the subscribe button so that you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. Alright, so let's jump into the video. So as I said before, today I'm going to talk about the Louis Vuitton cruise collection, mainly the Game On collection. I'm going to give you guys what I feel about this collection and what I would buy from this collection. So to be honest, at a glance, I'm not for this collection. I mean, for me, the Game On collection isn't the best collection that I have seen. For me, I wouldn't jump at this collection, but I mean, there are few pieces that I think is all right, but I mean, guys, I wouldn't think that it's amazing. So basically, the print, I'm not for the print because I mean, I feel that it's a little juvenile and it feels a little kiddish. So because of this, I'm not a big fan of this collection. But let's just go through each item from each section and see what I feel about these items. I have to tell you, I haven't seen this collection in person, so I'm just depending on the pictures online. So I mean, if I see this in person, I might sometimes like it, but I don't think I will jump at it and I would say, wow, this is a great collection. There are a few pieces, if I see it in person, I mean, I really don't know, guys. I mean, sometimes it might sink into me, but right now, I'm not for the collection. Okay guys, so as we go on, I'm going to insert a picture of the item which I'm talking about on the left hand side, so that you guys can have a look at the item, and I'm going to tell you what I feel about these items. So first up is the scarf. If you take Louis Vuitton scarves, I own one blue scarf, you guys must have seen. I have done a separate video on this scarf, so you can have a look. I will link it as usual. So usually I absolutely love their scarves. The quality of the scarf is quite amazing. So I mean, their monogram print, the classic scarves are really beautiful. So they have done a Game On collection for scarves as well. I mean, first when you take this white scarf, to be honest, the scarf looks all right for me with this print. Simply because I mean, a scarf is a very small item. I mean, it's not going to be very out there, it's going to be very subtle. So if you wear the scarf with a full black dress or a full black outfit, even a full white outfit, it will actually add color into your outfit. So this scarf, I would say that I'm okay to get my hands on. But there is another scarf which is a two-tone scarf, like a black and white scarf, which is this one, which I'm going to show you now. So that scarf, I don't think I would go for that, simply because it's too out there and there's so many things going on in that scarf. The print is too bright. I mean, it's not bright, it's too much. I mean, they have the logo and they have the hearts. There's a lot going on in this scarf, so I don't think I will get this scarf. But of course, the full white scarf or the full black print in the Game On collection, that I wouldn't mind going for. So now if we go on to the ready-to-wear collection, I'm actually sad to say this, I'm not for the Game On collection in the ready-to-wear section. I feel like it's quite juvenile. I mean, prints like hearts and diamonds really don't do much for me. So basically, having a print all over your ready-to-wear items will actually not look that great. For me, it kind of gives this cheaper look. I mean, if it was a standard monogram dress or a standard monogram, a classic trouser, I wouldn't mind that, but not this multicolor print. I mean, it's going to look too much in like a dress or in an entire suit. So if you check these trousers, I mean, it's the Game On print all over. So I feel like this is a bit too much, because the entire bottom part will be screaming Louis Vuitton. So I don't think I will get my hands on something like this. And also prints like this really don't work for me. It's way too big. The print is way too big. I mean, I feel like this print is quite good for like a kids collection. I'm sorry guys, but this is my view. I mean, there are people who would love this print as well, but for me, I don't think that I would like this print on a ready-to-wear collection. So let's talk about this. If I'm going to tell you what I'm going to pick out of these items from the Game On ready-to-wear collection, there are like about 2 or 3 items that caught my eye. Basically, there is this full black dress which I thought looked amazing. I will insert a picture right now. I mean, like a dress like this, you can see the diamond shape right here at the chest. I think that's a brilliant idea, and like a little detail in the belt that also adds so much color into the dress. I think this is a great piece if you want something from this Game On collection. And just imagine adding that scarf, the square scarf, onto this full black dress. That would add like a nice finish to your dress. I mean, that I could work with, but not the full print, the full Game On print all over you. That will not work for me. I would actually pick these shorts simply because it has the minimum amount of print, and you can definitely easily pair it with a black top or a white top, or even like a blue or a red top. So I mean, you can match the shorts quite well with a lot of colors. So something like this I would be okay to buy, but I wouldn't jump at it and I wouldn't say, oh wow, I would really want to have this in my collection. And also there is one more item which I would like to have from this collection, that is the one-piece swimsuit. That is also quite nice, guys. I mean, I do think that I can work with that, again simply because it's only like one piece. I mean, for the swimsuit, I think it's okay to have print and it's okay to make it fun. You can also wear this as a top, like a bodysuit. And if that's the case, if you're wearing this one-piece swimsuit as a top, you can definitely pair it with jeans, or you can pair it with white pants, black pants, so red pants. I mean, you can do that. So I wouldn't mind having the full like the one-piece swimsuit from the Game On collection. So these are the few items from the ready-to-wear collection that I would be okay. Okay, so let's go on to the main items from this Game On collection, which are the handbags and the small leather goods. So there are few small leather goods which look all right. Again, I don't think I would jump at any of these bags or any of these small leather goods, but there is one very interesting piece which caught my eye, which I thought was quite unique. So I will show you that item towards the end. So from the handbags, if we talk about the classic handbags like Neverfull and Speedy, you do get this Neverfull in the black multicolor and in the white multicolor. So it kind of reminds me the Takashi Murakami collection, which was done previously from Louis Vuitton. I mean, I feel like it's inspired by it, but guys, I mean, I actually loved that previous Takashi Murakami collection. That was actually a really beautiful collection. But the only downfall for the Game On collection is they have inserted the suits of the cards. I mean, the hearts and the spades and diamonds, and these are included in this Louis Vuitton monogram print. So I really don't like that bit in the handbag. So the full black multicolor version in the Game On collection is a little all right for me. I mean, on one side it's just the Game On print, and I think this is actually all right for me, but as soon as you turn the bag the other side, you get this card attached to it, which sort of kills the whole look. I mean, it's a nice idea. So this card, this little card which is attached, is a little pocket. I saw this in a different video because I haven't seen these bags in person. So it's basically a little pocket in the bag. You can just insert the phone in these pockets without the casing, without your cover, for sure. I think that's a great idea, but I mean, having that pocket as a card doesn't look that great. I mean, I wouldn't really want that to be shown in a Louis Vuitton handbag. So I absolutely love the other side of the bag, which just have the monogram with the Game On print. That's fine with me. And also the pouch of this bag comes in a like a blue, like a nice blue color, so that's also okay with me, because when it's inside it's easier to find your items, so that is fine with me. Even the multicolor in white, that's also quite nice, but I mean, I wouldn't jump at it, guys. I don't really like that little card which kills the whole print. So that I really don't like, so I don't think I would go for the Neverfull in this print. So if you're a person who enjoys having hearts on your handbags and all that, this collection might be for you, but I'm not a big fan of having hearts on my handbags, so I'm not a big fan of this collection because of that. Okay, so let's talk about the Game On Speedy Bandolier bag. So again, this on one side you can see the print, it's blue, red and white. Again, I feel like it's a little too much for a bag, but this Speedy I think I can work with, because I mean, even though it has that big print on it, it doesn't scream like a heart shape for me. But guys, the interesting part, on the other side of the Speedy there is a heart. Again guys, which I don't like in this bag is that little pocket with the card sign. Of course I do like the idea of having a pocket, because handbags like Neverfull or the Speedy, it's quite hard to find your phone if you put it inside, because it's going to be right underneath your handbag, and if you need to reach out for your phone, you have to basically dig your handbag. So because of this, having a pocket on the side of your Speedy or on the side of your Neverfull is a great idea. You can definitely put your phone inside these pockets. But guys, I mean, having it as a card just puts me off. Okay, say you have it with the same print as the bag. If it's say if it's just the monogram print, if you can just have the side pocket in that same monogram print, that would have been nicer. Okay, since I spoke a lot about things I don't like in this collection, let's talk about something which caught my eye. So it's actually called the square bag of this Game On collection. I thought this bag was a brilliant idea. If at all I want something from this collection, I would definitely get my hands on this particular bag, because it's in a really nice shape, like a square shape, and it's unique. And it does have this little chain hanging with you can use it as a like a little bag on your hand or in the crook of your arm. So I kind of like this bag. I don't know how much it holds in this bag. I don't know how it looks in person, but in the pictures I kind of like this bag, simply because it was unique. Can't wait to go and see this collection in person. Okay, so guys, something which I absolutely love in this Game On collection are these pair of boots. I think this is a brilliant idea. It's just a plain black pair of boots with the heel detailing. I think that's amazing. I would definitely get my hands on this beauty. Okay, so there are two other bags which I thought was popular, but they are definitely not for me. One bag being this heart-shaped bag. So guys, I told you before also, I'm not a big person for hearts. I don't like hearts as my handbags or even as a print on my ready-to-wear or in a handbag. And there is another very interesting bag which comes as a pair. This is also a great piece, but again guys, I wouldn't add it to my collection. I think it's about £2,000. So if you buy this bag, you will get two separate bags in one go. So if you want to give it to your daughter, or if you want to share it with your friends, with your mother, you can do that totally with this bag, or you can definitely carry this bag together as well. So that's an interesting bag, but still I wouldn't go for it. It's not my cup of tea. When you look at the small leather goods, I actually prefer the small leather goods line to the handbags line. You guys can see the cosmetic pouch. That looks quite vibrant and it looks amazing. I feel like the small leather goods would actually be a better option in this Game On collection. So in this cosmetic pouch, you guys can see on one side there is this nice Louis Vuitton flower on the print, and on the other side, when you turn the cosmetic pouch around again, like in the Speedy, you will see the heart, but it doesn't look that bad. I feel like this cosmetic pouch looks quite nice in this Game On collection. And the next item from the small leather goods is this beauty. Okay, so this is, I know I said I hate cards, but this particular item is a card holder. So I mean, these things are okay because you put these little card holders and pouches inside your bag. So I mean, when you open your bag, you will see all these prints and you know which one to pick. So if you have this card case like a card, like an actual play card, you can basically reach for it inside your handbag really fast because it pops out. So I think this is a great idea. But the only thing is you can only put about 4 to 5 cards because you can maybe double up the cards. You only have 2 card slots on one side and then you have a little opening at the middle. So that's about it. So I mean, this is an okay piece for me since it's a very small piece. So I would totally get my hands on this card case, to be honest. It's kind of cute. But again, overall, when you look at the collection, when you look at the Game On collection, I feel like this collection is a little juvenile. I wouldn't scream at it and I wouldn't just want to get my hands on any of these items. I wouldn't jump at it. So guys, this is totally my opinion. I mean, if you love the collection and if any one of you would love to have an item, go for it. It's up to you. This is just totally my opinion. Okay, so that's about it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you liked something out of this video. Hope you understood the whole cruise collection of Louis Vuitton. If you enjoyed the video and if you liked my true comments, do give me a thumbs up. And if you have any comments on this collection, do leave a comment down in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe to me by hitting that red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell sign next to the subscribe button so that you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. Hope to see you guys soon in my next video. Until then, have a great week and stay safe.